This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M06 5G. The Samsung Galaxy M06 5G is an affordable smartphone that supports 5G connectivity, and it offers faster internet speeds for activities like streaming, gaming and browsing. This smartphone is designed for everyday use. It combines a large display, capable cameras and a long-lasting battery. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone support 5G connectivity, and you can experience faster downloads and smoother streaming with 5G support. This smartphone has a large display, and this smartphone comes with 6.74-inch screen, and it provides an immersive viewing experience. It also has 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling. This smartphone has dual rear cameras which capture clear photos with 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. This smartphone comes with a 5000 mAh battery which ensure the phone lasts throughout the day. This smartphone comes with 128 GB of internal storage and expandable via micro SD XE. This smartphone available in blazing black and sage green. Now we will see the technical details. Display is 6.74-inch HD plus LCD with the resolution of 720 into 16,000 pixels. Processor is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, and it is built on 6nm technology. RAM and storage: 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage and 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. Rear cameras: it comes with 50 MB main sensor, 2 MB depth sensor. Front camera: 8 MB for selfies and video calls. Battery comes with 5000 mAh capacity with the support of 25-watt fast charging. Operating system: this smartphone ships with Android 15 operating system with One UI Core 7.0, and with the promise of 4 major OS upgrades and 4 years of security patches. Connectivity supported are 5G, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And dimension and weight: 8 mm thickness, and weight is 191 gram. What are the pros of this smartphone? First point is affordable 5G smartphone. This smartphone offers 5G capabilities at a budget friendly price. Next point is large display. This smartphone comes with a 6.74-inch screen, and it is ideal for watching videos and browsing. Next point is long battery life. The 5000 mAh battery supports extended usage without frequent charging. Next point is expandable storage. This smartphone comes with 128 GB internal storage and expandable via micro SD XE, which provides ample space for apps and media. Next point is regular software updates. Commitment to 4 major OS upgrades ensure longevity. What are the cons of this smartphone? First point is display resolution. This smartphone support 720 into 1600 pixels resolution, and it is lower compared to some competitors. Next point is processor performance. While suitable for daily tasks, the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 may not handle intensive gaming or multitasking as efficiently as higher end processors. Next point is charging adapter. The 25-watt fast charger is sold separately, and it is adding to the overall cost. What are the customers' positive feedback? First point is value for money. Users appreciate the combination of 5G support, large display, and long battery life at an affordable price point. Next point is camera quality. The 50 MB main camera delivers satisfactory photos in good lighting conditions. Next point is battery performance. Many users report that the 5000 mAh battery comfortably lasts a full day with regular use. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 9,499 to 10,999 based on the configurations. In US, the price of this smartphone ranges from $109 to $125 based on the configurations.